So in this Wealthsimple tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to buy Apple call options in Canada, ticker symbol AAPL, here on Wealthsimple. So first thing you have to do is go into your Wealthsimple account and find the account that you wish to buy call options on. So this can be your non-registered account, this could be another account, whatever the case may be. So once that is done, go to the bottom left here and press on the magnifying glass. So now for me, I'm actually on the options tab here. So what you can do is go to the options tab, press on more, and simply just scroll down until you come across Apple. So it's right here, ticker symbol AAPL. Or what you can do, which is probably a little bit simpler, go to where it says stocks, go to the search bar here at the top, and simply type in ticker symbol AAPL. And once that is done, you can go to this option right here where it says Apple with options. Press on that. Then you can press on buy. And since we do want to buy some call options here, we're going to go ahead and press on options. Now, if you want to buy call options, you have to make sure that it says Apple will rise by. So if it says fall for whatever reason, simply just press on where it says rise here at the top. Make sure that call option is checked. So once that's done, you can go ahead and continue this way. Now what you have to do is actually change the date in which you want the options to expire. So change the expiry date. So what you can do is press on the date right here and then change it to whatever expiry date you wish the options to expire on. Now what you can do now is either find a strike price of out of the money or in the money. So if you wanted to go in the money, for example, of $170 USD or whatever the case may be, simply find the strike price that you want, press on that, and to confirm your purchase, go to the bottom, press on buy, and there you go. That is how you guys can buy Apple call options here in Canada, ticker symbol AAPL. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helped.